Hi, I'm Tim with True Green. Today we're covering how to overseed your grass. A simple but powerful way to keep your lawn thick, green, and weed resistant. Overseeding is especially important for cool season grasses, and in this video, I'll walk you through when to overseed, how to do it right, and how to avoid common mistakes. The best time to overseed, depending on your region, is late summer through early fall, when the weather begins to cool and the soil is still warm with plenty of moisture. These are the ideal conditions for seed germination. Overseeding is most effective when paired with aeration, which gives seed better soil contact. The benefits: a denser lawn, fewer bare patches, increased disease resistance, and overall healthier grass. This works best with cool season grasses like tall fescue, rye, and Kentucky bluegrass. Not all grass seed is the same. First, identify whether you have cool season or warm season grass, since overseeding is really only effective for cool season lawns. You'll want to match seed to your existing grass type for consistent texture and color. Look for high-quality seed blends suited to your region, and make sure they're designed for your lawn's sun or shade conditions. Before you overseed, prep your lawn. Aerate to loosen compacted soil and create openings for new seed. For a boost, you can apply a starter fertilizer to help seedlings grow strong from the start. Some bags of seed even contain a starter fertilizer, so be sure to check the label. Now, it's time to spread the seed. Use a broadcast or drop spreader for even coverage across your lawn. Always follow the seeding rate on the bag. Too much seed can cause overcrowding, while underseeding leaves bare patches. Make sure you cover all areas evenly, paying extra attention to thin or bare spots. Some common mistakes I see: choosing the wrong seed type for your region, trying to overseed warm season grasses. It doesn't work. Skipping aeration or soil prep, which prevents good germination. Overseeding too much or too little. And of course, watering too much or too little. These mistakes can cost you time, money, and results. Overseeding can be a DIY project, but working with the pros at True Green has its advantages. We know the right seed for your lawn, and our experts work hard to ensure our seed blends are 99.5% free of weeds. We also know how to apply seed at the correct rates and use professional-grade equipment for even coverage. Plus, we combine overseeding with aeration and fertilization for the best results. And we'll guide you on watering and aftercare to protect your investment. So that's how to overseed your lawn the right way. You can tackle it yourself or let the experts handle it for consistent, professional results. For lawn that's thick, green, and built to last, contact True Green today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now for more lawn care advice.